me be honest. Most people getting into AI right now aren't stuck because they're not smart enough. They're stuck because they're unstructured.
They're watching videos, saving prompts, jumping between tools, starting things, not finishing anything. And after weeks or months, they still can't answer one simple question. What am I actually building?
So in this video, I want to walk you through how I would build an AI content business from zero if I were starting today. A real structure that takes you from confusion to skills to proof to income. And if you stay with me, you'll walk away with a clear mental framework you can start using immediately. Here's something nobody really says clearly.
AI is not the hard part anymore. The hard part is deciding, who am I becoming? What skill am I actually building? And what kind of business am I trying to create? Because without that, every tool just becomes noise. One week you're into AI influencers. Next week it's AI UGC, then product photos, and nothing compounds. So step one is not learn AI. Step one is choosing a lane of growth. I am entering training to become an AI content creator, not a dabbler, not an experimenter, a builder. That identity shift changes how you use information. You stop consuming, you start constructing. Because once you stop asking, what should I try, and start asking, what am I building, everything changes. And stay with me till the end, because what I am about to reveal will blow your mind. If I were starting from zero, the first 90 days of my journey would be about one thing: skill through output. Not courses, not certifications, assets. AI influencers, AI UGC samples, AI product visuals, mini projects, mock brands, experiments that live somewhere. Because skills without visible output don't exist in the business world. Your portfolio is your proof of thinking, your proof of execution, your proof of growth. So instead of asking, what do I need to learn? I'd be asking, what can I build this week that didn't exist before? One new visual set, one new concept, one new brand simulation, one new page. That's how confidence is built. Not in your head, on your drive.
Most people try to monetize too early. The real leverage is building proof so money becomes a byproduct later.
Once you have motion, the next phase is visibility. And this is where people self-sabotage. They either post everywhere inconsistently or overthink one piece of content for 3 weeks. If I were doing this from scratch, I'd pick one main platform, just one, and I treat it like business training, not going viral, not personal brand aesthetics, training reps. Consistency teaches you what people respond to, what you enjoy creating, what formats you're good at, what problems you naturally speak about. Your content becomes market research. Your page becomes a living portfolio. Your ideas sharpen because you're forced to express them. And over time, authority stops being something you want and starts being something you're quietly building. You don't find your niche by thinking. You build it by showing up long enough for patterns to reveal themselves. Here's where a lot of creators freeze. They think monetization is one big decision. What should I sell? How much should I charge? Am I ready? In reality, monetization is a phase of system building. Offers, outreach, applications, client conversations, service packages, digital assets. It's testing, it's refining, it's learning how to position what you already know how to do.
And this phase only feels scary when you skip the earlier phases. Because when you have skills, proof, content, and clarity, monetization stops feeling like a leap. It starts feeling like the next logical layer. Money doesn't come from confidence. Confidence comes from seeing yourself create value repeatedly. This is actually why I built what I'm about to mention. Because after a while in this space, I realized something. Most people don't need more AI information. They need a structure to grow inside of. They need something that helps them think monthly, act weekly, execute daily, and see themselves progressing over a long enough timeline for real results to appear.
So I created a 12-month AI content business operating system, not as a course, but as a working planner designed to walk you through the foundations phase, the visibility phase, the monetization phase, and the scaling phase. Everything is built around building skills through outputs, tracking proof of work, staying consistent with content, and gradually constructing monetization systems.
If you're someone who doesn't want to keep collecting information, but actually wants a structure that helps you build something real over the next year, I'll leave it linked below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really motivates me to keep bringing you valuable content in this digital world. I'll see you in the next video.